Hello everyone. Today my topic is on telescopes. So telescopes are the tubular optical instrument on which we can record the distant image. So the diameter or the important aspect of the telescope depends on its diameter. So the diameter is based on the two types, that is the lens and the resolving power. It indicates that how sharp the image is and how bright the image appears. So from that we can really calculate the exact thing which we want to record on our telescope. So telescope is the thing that which is really helpful for in space. So it is really helpful for the astronomers. So many of the astronomers studied on telescope, or they got to know that the exact geography and the weather on the planets in our solar system. So even they got to know the craters on the on the planet or on the moon. So this was because of the telescope. So early telescopes were they showed that the earth is not the center in the universe as previously believed, and afterwards it determined, or it resulted into the study that there are so many of the planets in a solar system. So what is the exact weather on that solar system, planets and all. So it really gave the image. We got the image first of all when earlier telescope were invented. So the first telescope invented is by Galileo. So he was, and along with him he had his two coordinates with him. So they invented the telescope, and after that talking about the daily life, we can use daily in day-to-day life telescope as a binoculars. So a pair of binoculars can be considered as a mini telescope for us. So the greater the subject is from the greater the subject, the better the image is. So by getting the subject clear into the view, we can really get the result we want. And wait a minute. So earlier the many of the inventors used a small piece of glass or mirror as a lens in the telescope, and now they have been replaced with the good quality of mirror and glass. And from that they can appear, or they get a good quality of image and the sharp image. So we can really record a good image, and any small movement in the space can be recorded easily on the telescope. So the astronomers or many of the research team or many of the scientists are keenly watching, or they have been keeping a watch on the movement in the solar system. And also telescope really made the life easier for the people who are really interested in the solar system and out of the universe. So the as it is really easy for using the telescope, and the adjustment can be done easily on the telescope, so that the we can get the exact image what we want to see and all. So the it is an tubular body in which it is adjustable, and lens are even adjustable according to that. Until and unless we don't get an sharp clear image, we can focus on object, and we just adjust it as per our viewing purpose. So until and unless we don't get a sharp and clear object in front of us, so at that till that time we can adjust our telescope, and we can, yes, we can enjoy the scenario uh, like that, like this. So this was all about telescope. Thank you so much.